Hey everyone, it's January and I wanted to share with you my 2018 bucket list. So here it is.
Number 1. Travel to a new city. Number 2. Travel to a new country. Number 3. Run a race.
I did my first 5K last year and I'd love to do another one this year.
Number 4. Make a new friend. Number 5. Visit an art gallery I've never been to. Number 6. See a musical.
If you know me, I'm obsessed with musicals, but I've never actually seen one live. Fingers crossed this is the year for that.
Number 7. Stargaze on a mountain. Number 8. Watch the sunrise. Number 9. Ride a bike.
Okay, this might sound weird, but I honestly don't remember the last time I rode a bike. It's been ages.
And lastly, number 10. Ride a hot air balloon.
I love making bucket lists that are slightly out of my comfort zone, so I kind of have something to look forward to during the year. It's totally cool if I don't hit on all of these, but it's nice to reflect on them at the end of the year. I'd love to know what's on your bucket list. Let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to read them. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Oh, by the way, we've restocked on our clay boxes, so I will put a link right here or somewhere in the screen and also in the description box below. So check that out if you are interested.